My name is Anuj Gurwara, and what a delight it is to be here with all of you to celebrate this wonderful milestone of our lives.
Very excited, and what a dream coming true.
Well, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the highly anticipated first ever virtual INM WPV year-end convention. I'm your host, Anuj Gurwara. What a delight to be here. So good to see all of you here virtually, of course, after a long time. But Shan, I want to ask you, like, what's your Riyaz routine? Like, you sit and just like do this for 4 hours, like this is
Shoulder
cardio.
workout primarily.
Yeah, man. Or what's your fitness routine?
Lovely to see you all. Namaskar. Good evening, everyone. Lovely to have you here with us this evening at a very special launch. My name is Anuj Gurwara, and on behalf of our three very wonderful authors, Shri Bishan Sahai, Dr. Ruchi Ranjan, and of course, our birthday girl and new author, Ishika Ranjan, I'd like to welcome all of you to the launch of Our World, A Symphony of Drabbles by Three Generations, published by Rupa Publications.
No, I think there are some fascinating stories that are hidden at every corner and bend of this journey, which are just incredible to hear. What I'd also like to ask Prateek and Shreya is the kind of preparation that went in when you began. Assuming that now this is the character when you start embodying it. What is the preparation that went in? Well, we'll see. 9th of October. We'll see how well you have behaved.
Thanks, Anuj. Thanks.
And to those of you watching, if you don't have a Sony Live subscription yet, I can say that this is a scam you can safely invest in. So please go ahead and get that. On the 9th of October, scam arrives on a Sony Live app near you.
Thank you, Amit. So we have Sugandha from IANS who's asking, Amit, what does Avrodh stand for you? आपके लिए क्या मतलब रखता है Avrodh?
मेरे लिए अवरोध तो समीर सर ने आपको जैसे बताया. हाय सुगंधा, आप कैसे हो?
Time to meet the 6 people who will be indulging in our national pastime, judging other people. Please welcome the judges of Commune's first ever National Story Slam Finals, the English round.
नमस्कार, गुड आफ्टरनून. सोनी लिव की ओर से मैं अनुज गुरवारा आप सबका स्वागत करता हूं. I welcome all of you to the launch of yet another exciting offering from Sony Live. अब गिरते संभलते दिन गिनते गिनते हम आखिर 2020 के आखिरी पड़ाव तक आ ही गए हैं. And what a year it's been. One that's of course changed lives across the planet, needless to say. लेकिन साल की शुरुआत में ही जब हम अपने घरों में सुरक्षित मगर बंद थे, तो एक नए अंदाज में नई अलग अलग तरह की ऑफरिंग्स लाकर सोनी लिव ने हमारे लिए कहानियों की खिड़कियां खोल दी. I'm sure this one's going to be, and going by anything, I would just like to put in a disclaimer to everyone who's watching this, member of the media. This is not the bonus episode of the series or the first episode. This is a press launch. I just want to let you guys know. Although it looks like a Christmas special, but
या अपनी कहानियों को भी उन्होंने, it's very hard to chisel away at a story that you've written and every word is precious to you, but people have taken hard calls and cut away parts that were perhaps lagging. So it's really heartening to see. और जैसे कहते हैं कि विस्की को जितनी बार डिस्टिल किया जाए उतनी ज्यादा बढ़िया होती जाती है, तो लग रहा है ये ट्रिपल डिस्टिल स्टोरीज सुन के काफी नशा तो क्या कहूंगा, लेकिन एक खुमार तो जरूर आ रहा है.
वाह. मैं हीरे के तराशने की बात सोच रहा था, बट आपका एग्जांपल बहुत उम्दा है सर. थैंक यू. Cheers to that.
बजट में रह के बात कर ली मैंने सोचा.
क्या
HSBC India, मजा आ गया यार, मजा आ गया.
Thank you, Anuj. Thanks for keeping this party going for such a. It seems like it was 2.5 hours, but it just sort of whizzed past. So thank you so much.
My name is Anuj Gurwara, and I'm signing out. I hope to see you again sometime. Stay safe, stay healthy, wear a mask, and we'll see you again soon. Namaskar.